Hey everyone. So today I just want to quickly show how we can take a old beat up key fob where it still functions well. I just want to upgrade how this looks with a new case without breaking the bank. So on Amazon they sell variety key fobs for all vehicles pretty much that are just the cases, and they come without the circuit board inside, so that way, you know, if you just want to upgrade the appearance of your key fob without being all beat up like mine, you can do that without spending too much money. So let's get started. This right here is the key fob shell that I bought for about $11 off Amazon. As you can see, my key fob is for my GMC truck. This one, because it's aftermarket, looking like it came from manufacturer, they aren't able to put the logo on the back. So I'm going to be able to keep my my back here because this is in pretty good condition, and it's mainly the front where the buttons are that I would like to replace. So to get started, I'm going to take the old key fob apart. The new key fob does come with this uncut key. I don't need that because I got mine here. So I'm going to remove that. I get these two halves. Just leave them over here for now. Let's get this guy open. First, I'm going to take out the key. Next, just whatever you have to pry this open with. I'm going to pry open the internals here. Okay, got that open. My battery's good in this. I replaced it kind of recently, so I'm going to keep that and keep the back how it is. Now with this, all I have to do is take the new face that doesn't have the circuit board in it, but has all the buttons lined up, and put this circuit board in here. This has everything programmed to your vehicle. So this should just pop right out, which it does. It sits right in there. And you can see how all the buttons correlate to the circuit board on the back. Bottom one being your emergency horn. So, same deal. There's that emergency button, the bottom button. I'm gonna put this in. All right, that's all in there. Set it in. Let's get this clip back up with my GMC backing, from the original key. Boom, boom. That's all together nicely. Now we get a brand new looking key. I can even take my existing cut key, throw it back in here. There we go. Much better. Worth the $11 to me. Let's go see if it works. Looks like it's working to me. See you guys on the next one.